Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be doing one concept, three different designs, and this is going to be fall edition. So right now what I just showed you are my medium stiletto full cover nails. And then I have medium coffin as well as medium square. So all three sets are going to be available on my Esty store. Anything I use in the video, I have a description box. I have it linked in the description box down below, and then I'll also have a link to my Esty shop as well as a discount code for you guys. So right now, this is gonna go a little bit fast because I do three different designs, but they are quick designs. So of course this one is basic and simple. It is just a medium stiletto shape, full cover nail shape, and then I applied 2 layers of base coat gel and then cured in between layers for 60 seconds. And then for my orange color, I applied 2 layers and then cured in between layers for 60 seconds. So right now I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail stickers and then apply some top coat. I think I have, oh, this is going to be shiny. So this is my only shiny set that I have, and then the other two are going to be matte. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video. This is kind of a watch me work. If you watch any of my other videos, you do see how I do my personal nails. They are very sturdy and strong. I actually had an order that I had to make and get sent out today. So I was able to get that done, and now I'm doing my voiceover for this video. So this will be out soon. After this, I do have a fall and Halloween Timo nail haul coming up. So that's going to be coming up for you guys as well. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and apply a thin coat of glossy. Oh my god, I'm having a brain freeze. Like my brain is glitching for some reason. But it's gonna be glossy top coat, and then I'm gonna apply in the lamp for 60 seconds. This is going to be the second set. This is going to be medium coffin, and it's just basically a color palette. So I just took the brown shade and then some of the lighter, softer tones in the set and applied those to the nails. Again, 2 layers and then cure in the lamp for 60 seconds in between layer, and then I'm going to add some stickers, and then these are going to be matte. So I actually have most of my content planned out between fall and Halloween. I'm probably gonna jump back and forth. I am gonna do a Halloween set coming up, and then do that for the month of October. And then once November hits, I will go into some more fall looks possibly. The only thing I'm not sure of, at some point I may not really post that much, is like during Christmas, because I really don't get into Christmas like I used to. But I do have like one or two designs that I'm gonna do, just with random products that I have at home. I'm really not gonna buy anything. I actually don't buy anything, buy as much as I used to, just as needed items, because I have so much back here that I can just really do a whole nail set for days and not even have to buy anything. So yeah, good content coming up, and I have been more consistent so far. I've been posting every Friday at 12:30 Eastern time. So y'all gonna probably hear me ramble a little bit because I'm trying to get used to talking to you guys fully throughout the video. One of the things, I don't know if y'all seen the Netflix special, the Lyle and Eric Menendez story. I actually watched it, and I have mixed feelings about it. Like, I remember kind of hearing about the story. Like I said, this happened in '89, so I was like 4 years old when it happened, so I really don't remember too much about it. The only thing I do vividly remember is when the O.J. Simpson trial happened, And that's because my uncle, he actually watched that whole trial like from beginning to end. Like you cannot go over that man's house and touch that TV if he had the trial on. So that's the only thing I really do remember. And I had to go back and look at some stuff on the internet. The only thing that I didn't like about the show was, I think it was episode 5. I literally had to skip it out a whole episode because that's when Eric was talking about him being essayed by his dad, and it was very hard to watch and hear. So I actually had to skip like the whole episode 5. And then by the end of the episodes, by episode 9, like I was in my feelings. I really didn't know how to feel about them. Like how everything happened when you look in the news. And when you look back at the old news articles, and they will say that like basically they were like spoiled rich kids. And right after they killed their parents, they went on a shopping spree. And to me, I'm just like, well, after you kill your parents, like, why would you immediately go on a shopping spree after that? So that really logically didn't make any sense to me. And so just watching what I watched on Netflix, I kind of feel like Lyle was the ringleader and he was the mastermind behind everything just because of how he acted. And honestly, the only one I really felt sorry for was Eric, and it seems like he was a young brother and he just got caught up in his older brother Lyle trying to basically manipulate him and doing what they did. That's my take on it. I don't know about how everybody else feels about it, but that's my take on it. So right now I am going to be doing the medium square nails, and I'm actually going to do a little bit of marbling. I haven't done marbling in a while, so this is going to be a little bit different for me. And for marble, I typically go in with a very thin layer of blooming gel, and then I just float the product on top of the nail and then let it spread out a little bit and then cure it in a lamp for 60 seconds. So that's how I do my marble technique, and anytime I do marble nails, that's how I do them. So everything is done, and then I'm just gonna run through what you receive in your nail kit. You do purchase from me. You do receive a typical prep kit, which is a buffle, orange stick, nail file, two sticky tabs if you opt out to use the nail glue, which is included in the kit as well, and instructions on how to prep and apply. And then as a free gift, you do get a cuticle nipper, and you receive a cuticle oil as well. So this is the end result, and I just chose to use the medium square so you guys can see how they look on. Very sturdy. Try not to mess up your mate when you apply your cuticle oil like I did. But as always, love you guys. Be kind to each other, and I will see you on my next one.